We need to. We need to.
Come on, bud.
One is for male, one is for female. This is one. The male and female is too close to each other. So we told them they have to find we can fence the fence in between.
Good evening. We're here this evening to inspect the ongoing remodeling of one of the foremost grammar school in River State that produced a good number of great men that are making waves in politics and other special areas of their discipline in River State. We were touched by the very deplorable state of the former school, and our government decided that we should give it a facelift. And since after the award of that contract, we have not visited here. So we are doing it today. I've had several reports from the commissioner giving me updates, but I felt this is my constituency. As a matter of fact, Okrika is dear to me, so I need to see for myself the extent of job and the standard too. My assessment have to be very raw. I'm not satisfied. That's the truth. The commissioner gave me the impression that 70% job has been done. From what I'm saying here, I need to take over the supervision of this project to make sure I give my people a standard. When I say standard, a standard grammar school again. So I'll be here. And as a matter of fact, before the end of this week, I'll have a meeting with all the contractors to read my riot act to them, because I've paid 100% of this project. Am I lying? So if I've paid 100% and this is the state of the work, then I need to do something about it. I understand the issue of price differences, no wahala. We can discuss those variations, but the quality must match the amount that we spend. You know, I'm somebody who has to do with figure, so there must be value for money. And by the end, our people need to be happy that we have done this, and I also need to be happy that I did what is needed for our people. Thank you.